morning. My name is M. Narasimha Rao, lecturer in physics. An engine of a train moving with uniform acceleration passes the signal post with a velocity u, and the last compartment with a velocity capital V. The velocity with which middle point of the train passes the signal post is. This is the train. The total length of the train is S. This is the middle point of the train. Total length of the train is S. This middle point means this is S by 2. This distance is S by 2. Now, the train is moving with uniform acceleration. Velocity goes on increasing. Train is moving with uniform acceleration. Equal changes in velocities in equal intervals of time. Velocity goes on increasing. This is the engine of the train. This engine of the train crosses the signal post with a velocity u. Last compartment of the train crosses the signal post with a velocity v. V dash is the velocity of the middle compartment which is crossing the signal post. Now, I am taking the first half part of the train. First half part of the train. First half part of the train I am taking. First half part I am taking. First half part I am taking AB. Now please listen. This is the engine. It is crossing the signal post with a velocity u. In the middle point of the train which is crossing the signal post with a velocity v dash. This distance is S by 2. We know one formula. In motion in a straight line, v square minus u square is equal to 2as. V square minus u square is equals to 2as. This is the formula. V means a final velocity. I am considering in a half of the train only. This is the initial velocity. It is the final velocity. Final velocity means v dash square. Initial velocity u square 2 into a. Uniform acceleration, acceleration is constant. Yes. Distance traveled. This distance is S by 2. S by 2. 2 gets cancelled. V dash square minus u square is equals to as. It is the equation number 1. I am talking about the second half part of the train. I am talking about second half part. Second half part, that is nothing but BC. Nothing but BC. This second half BC. Now please listen. Here, for the second half of the train, this is the initial velocity with which it is crossing the signal post. This is the velocity of the compartment. In the initial velocity, the final velocity. Again, I am applying the formula. V square minus u square is equals to 2as. It is the formula only. V means the final velocity. I am talking about the second half. This initial velocity. This final velocity. Final velocity is V. Final velocity V. Initial velocity. Initial velocity V dash. V dash. 2 into a constant acceleration. Yes. The half of the train, this distance is S by 2. S by 2. 2 gets cancelled. V square minus V dash square is equals to AS. This equation 2. Here right hand side AS, here right hand side AS, RHS are equal, then LHS also equal. From 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, 1 and 2, here AS, both are equal, RHS are equal, LHS are equal. Now, V dash square minus U square is equals to, V dash square minus U square is equals to, V square minus V dash square, minus V dash square, V dash square. This minus V dash square comes to this side, plus V dash square. V square I am writing V square, minus U square comes to this side, plus U square. V dash square plus V dash square, 2V dash square, V square plus U square. 2 comes to denominator, 2 comes to denominator, V dash square is equals to V square plus U square divided by 2. V dash is equals to under root of V square plus U square divided by 2. V dash represents the velocity of the middle compartment. With this velocity, it is crossing the signal post.